Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to be making a scratch game using only scratch cats. I saw this video by Nomando, but actually, if you look closely at the backdrop in this video, it doesn't look like it's made of scratch cats. It looks like it's like one of those basic scratch backgrounds. So I don't know if this is an actual speedrun. So we're still going to do the 4 minutes 32-second timer thing. I don't know why it pulled that random thing up, the formula, whatever. We're just going to search up timer. All right, so we're going to do 4 minutes and 32 seconds. So the same time he used, and we'll be able to see if we can do a legit run, cuz as you can see, he used the scratch background in there. So that's not a valid speedrun. That is not a valid speedrun. That does not count. So, we already started the timer. We're gonna change the sprite to W because it's a W, and then we'll change this one to L. Thought I'd change it to W2, but no, we do L. Then we're gonna make the background. We're gonna call that WL because win lose kind of scenario. So we're gonna go copy that sprite back into the backdrop, and then we're just gonna duplicate that like 100 times. It gets so laggy here. I mean, like, so laggy. Look at my mouse. Look at my mouse right now. It is like the laggiest thing ever. Scratch cannot run that many, I don't know if it's called clones. I don't think it's called clones. It's like the same thing. Scratch can't run so many little objects at once. I think we'll duplicate that one more time. Yep, and then that will be it. And then we'll go in here, we'll start this. When flag clicked, and then we will go duplicate this and make another one red for the losing screen because losing is red. So I actually highlight every single thing here but that one little leg at the bottom left. And I'm not going to go back and change that because that might be a little bit laggy to highlight over just that one leg. So now we're going to do whenever receive, we're going to create a new message, call that lose. When I receive lose, we're going to switch to WL2, which is the red screen, and then switch to WL as the starter screen. And then we're going to set the ghost effect to around 50, I think, yep, 50. So then when we click play, it shows that, so it's like a little lighter than the actual thing. So it looks a little better, So we're going to go over here. We're going to do bring out play. If touching, like forever if touching sprite L, we will broadcast lose. We will hide. And yeah, it's a rip moment. And we're also going to bring out some if then else for the for the player controller movements. But we'll start on that in a couple seconds. So going back to what I said, we're going to bring in a hide block in here. And then we're going to put a show block at the top to let it show. And then we'll just bring in the lose block. So when it touches, that red background will go up and this will hide. So now we're having the controls. We're going to make it like up arrows, down arrows, left arrows, right arrows for every type of movement. So the game idea, it's going to be where you can basically go around and the other sprite is trying to go around. Like the other sprite randomly travels to different directions and you trying to escape it. And honestly, I'm really liking that background right now. It looks super cool where it's like not fully filled with cats. Like the white space, I don't know, it just looks pretty good. Alright, so we finished with this. We're just going to slide that right up there. And then we're going to move on to our L sprite. We're going to first change this so it sets it at X negative 200, Y 0, so it won't automatically spawn on that character. So now, once we click play, it looks good, and you don't lose yet. So we're going to go over to L sprite. We're going to change this to the color red, just like the backdrop, like the evil when you lose red kind of thing. We're going to start this. At this point in time, we have around 30 seconds left. So right now, I don't actually know we have 30 seconds left, so I'm just going naturally. I think in like a second, I finally realize we have 20 seconds left, and then I start speedrunning like crazy. Yeah, yeah. This is the moment where there's like 1 second left, and then I forget we had to have a show sprite. So I go down there, it lags, and then I grab the show block a second after the timer ends, as you can see there. So that technically classifies as a 4 minute 33-second speedrun, but an accurate 4:33 speedrun. And now you can see it travels to random positions as I play the game, and then as it hits, I turn into red. So now this game actually is made of scratch cats. The other guy gets like the glitched category because, no Mando. Sorry, buddy, but looks like I beat your record. So yeah, he gets the glitched world record time of 4 minutes 32 seconds. I get the real time of 4 minutes 32 seconds. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe.